Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for joining me in this campaign. You got right to the place that you needed to get. Your first step is to just go to the link and click on it. It will take you to the 500-word article. And all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom of that article. And right to the right side, you will see a little heart that's outlined. Once you click on it, it turns red. The more you click on that, the more clicks add up to helping me get that featured spot in the New York Times Magazine at the first of the year. So thank you. Thank you so much. Also enclosed is the first gift from my content rich 40 years in the making digital library. Today, what you get is the 13-minute audio recording of the prologue to the book that we're pushing so hard to get out there. I Think I Like You Better Dead. If you're at all interested in the backstory to that 13 minutes will give you the whole story about how John and I came up with that title. So thank you. Thank you for joining. And in a couple of days, you'll get another reminder, and it will also show you how you can pass this on and share it with other people. And you'll get another couple gifts. Then, about every week, you'll get another gentle reminder. So, save this email, go in as many times as you can, click on it, and together we'll build the momentum to wherever this journey is to take us. Thank you. Bless you. And until next time.